Pretty neat little shack there. Hey everybody, Mikeycat Outdoors here. So what are we doing today? I'm out here at High Knob doing part of River to River Trail. So got a fabulous 5 hours of sleep. Came down here for a group hike. They kind of left without me. So hopefully I'm going the right direction to catch up with them. We'll see. But I kind of warned them I'd be coming a little later. And yeah, see how my body feels with that little bit of sleep. But sleep is very important. But I've been up here, High Knob, before. Got a nice little horse camp and stuff. You pass through and come up the hill. There's a little area to park and all that. So hopefully I'm going the right way. I don't remember if they were going to go somewhere else, but they must either been booking it or I don't know. Hopefully I'll see them. Woohoo! Caught the group. Cool little cabin here.
What did you, hey Shawn? Huh? Didn't you do some research on this?
I think it was like late 1800s.
Wow. Looks really cozy in there. Nice fireplace. Cool. Looking at my new home up here.
We all do that.
Horses are hard on it. Dirt on mud.
Hikers,
So cozy inside. I think I've had hotels that look worse than that.
Probably 14 inches. So I put those down and I put dirt on top.
Trail number 146.
But this was too wide for that kind of be a full-on bridge.
So Shawn, Brian, and his daughter, and all them are in the back. Michelle and Bob's and all them are back there. Whew. Let's see how well I do with 5 hours of sleep. So far hanging in there. There's my new home away from home. Complete with a Doge. Little horse tie off wire there.
let me check.
The man, the myth, the legend.
Yeah, you're butt up against private.
Typical Michelle shit.
Going to the Sema. So like Bon Jovi, according to the map, we're about halfway on the loop right now. So we're up here at 146 we came off of, Snow Cone Trail, High Knob, Trailhead. So if I wanted to get back to High Knob, it'd only be about 2 miles really that way. But we're doing a 6-mile loop. And yeah, I can feel it a little bit with lack of sleep. Kind of got a little pain on top of my stomach. Didn't get to do any constitutionals today, so that might be part of it too. But a little toasty. Had to start ventilating a little bit. I think if I didn't have this nylon layer on, the wind would hit me more, but I definitely shed that heat. Taking a little break here.
I've been using one just like a hunt stand.
I've not heard of hunt stand. Yeah, so you just download a map, like your map area.
So no digging, puppy.
Now, does this cemetery have a name?
If it does, usually they'll put it on the
There used to be a post.
Yeah, I
Another
thought
horse camp here.
There used to be a post here with
at least on the map, it's not listed on the map.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a footstone.
Yeah, that's Elbert.
Is that Elbert or Elizabeth?
That's E-L-B-E-R-T, Elbert. Pyle. P-Y-L-E-S.
You know this
Pyle Cemetery.
Yeah, I think I've heard of Pile.
Yeah, that's what this one is Pile.
For Lawrence, too.
She may have
That's a
married.
fairly new one.
Yeah. That or they replaced it.
Some of those cemeteries you go there and it'd be like the guy and his wife and his wife. Like, when you look at the age of the second wife, boy, very young.
Yeah.
Sometimes it was like a little neighbor girl or something.
Right.
Like, yeah, I got 3 daughters. Here's a wife for you.
It's typically not Mormon. Because Mormons tried to settle in Illinois, and I think they pretty much ran them out.
Yeah, they're pretty much just around Nauvoo, I think is where they were.
Right.
Most of those, I thought about like, one wife died.
Oh, yeah.
And like, she died in her 30s or something. The guy, an older guy.
Start going back to one of the other ones.
Going in circles.
Yeah, I got a lot of cousins, mostly leafers. Where, isn't it?
Really nice out here. We're way past the halfway point, so we just kind of took a little rest break on top of these little bluff rocks, and not too bad. I think I'll make it.
Then she read me an article that said farts make you live longer. So I took that as an opportunity to just let it go.
Yeah, let it go again, yeah. That was another year.
I'll have to look for that picture.
My feet turned it. No, because I saw it all over.
No,
you can, you know of a place that has the smaller trees, and after a nice storm to go hiking through it, where everything's covered
Yeah.
with the ice.
Yeah, that's how this was. It was just, it was weird. It was kind of warm, so it's all starting to melt. You can look at the picture and everything was still there. But it was pretty neat. You know, I like the Shawnee, I like being a part of it, but it seems like everyone this should be where you have board.
What do they do with their board meetings if they're not over there?
This is beautiful out here. We're fresh on the trail, looking for the elusive Shammel. Supposedly there's been a sighting.
Crazy how you can get out here, not see anybody, then you find something like that.
Yeah.
It's like,
Donna. Donna. It's the elusive Shammel. We have a confirmed sighting. Bigfoot is somewhere nearby.
I'd have to say fall's probably my favorite.
It's really beautiful out here. Hurricane Bluff.
Not this year.
Yeah, we had 1 weekend of color, it seems like.
Yeah.
Oh, the Shawnee National Forest.
It looked like this.
That is not kitty litter. Those are either juniper or cedar berries. It looks like a cedar tree. You can see them up here. Pretty cool.
Yeah. You upgraded your trash bag.
What happened?
Now you're gonna have to get a Walmart cart pushed around. That looks like horse too, Abby.
It probably is.
Here's proof she exists.
Yeah.
The elusive Shammel.
Uh-huh. Keep it up.
Mikeycat following a dog.
I still got it.
These adventures,
We have a shot top
Nice
called
little
Crocodile.
I used
right
one
there.
for him in the beginning, because when I say stop, I want you to stop yesterday.
Well, this is kind of the end of the loop, so we're near the cabins, and not too bad. It says about 1:30, so we started around 10:30. So what is that? 3 hours, do 6 miles roughly. Not too bad. Made it. Got a little sweaty for a while because I got the still nylon. And then I got the little puffy. But anytime I had a break, I just kind of opened this up a little bit and vent out and got a lot better. I'm pretty much dry right now.
Sometime before and just see how it is.
Yeah.
Like, where are you filming me?
Kibbles and bits, kibbles and bits. I'm gonna get me some kibbles and bits. Big, 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 bacon!
I feel like I get faster.
No, I saw the orange on the big ride.
Or Mikeycat.
Yeah, I saw the orange on the corner of my eye.
No, I was gonna get a butt fat. You got some hair on you. You want to cut that? Oreo cookie time?
Hot cocoa for you.
Oh! Michelle, you said them. Hot cocoa flavored Oreo?
Yeah, I can hear it.
Oh yeah, I remember that. The big knives and bodies and snakes.
And this is how hiking song is made, or born.
The box.
Cool.
The location of Jimmy Hoffa's body.
Could be big bucks in there. Watch your noggin.
Yep, it's a deal, okay?
How was it?
It was easy.
Easy? That's why I took the long way around.
Got a Ike of a Shawn sticker on it.
Is there?
My teeth.
Oh, is it mine?
Did you say teeth?
Teeth.
Wow.
Michelle found teeth out here.
I have found teeth out here. Just pull it back through. Did you sign it, Brian?
Wow. The Amish cave.
That's pretty in the way.
So just kind of meandering around out here on this other trail. See the lower side of the bluff. Very scenic. But right where you come in off of those cabins, the one that's got all the kind of asphalt siding to it, which is the second one you really come to. You basically come in and you get up to a point where you can kind of go off. There's a little white tree sign, and that was the loop that we did. We came back and we came down the top part, and now kind of went off to the left, and it's down here on the bottom, so different views. It's nice.
Really?
Well, you don't see that every day of the week. Crikey! Gator window. Well, I'm getting bushed, so I'm going to turn around, join another gent, and we're going to head on back. The rest of the crew's going on for a little bit, but it's been fun. So I head back to those shacks and see what I can see. Well, Shawn, thank you for hosting.
Yep, thanks for coming.
Yep. Now, see you again in the outdoors.
For sure.
All right. Happy 2024. Just making my way back down the trail, a little further away from the bluff line this time. But heading on back. You can see them. Everybody else is still out doing their thing. I got to bed too late for New Year's, and a little sleep deprived, a little hungry. Gotta dig a cat hole sometime. Probably Garden of the Gods for that. Oh, it's probably 2:30 in the afternoon now. I'm a little bushed, but I'm gonna get something to eat and take care of all my business, and everything will be as right as rain. But it's crisp out here. Sweating a little bit. Had to take my hat off. You get down in some of the parts of the bottoms, there's a lot of wind in spots. Then there's other areas where you got a lot of nice protection from the wind, and it's not so bad. The layering system, I mean, I'm a little sweaty, but it dries out pretty quick, so not too bad. I'm happy with it. Probably a lot drier than I'd be with merino wool. There's the cars. You got the beautiful High Knob Overlook picnic area sign there. Head up the hill and parking lot. Came off of this little stretch of river to river. And then you head down the hill and you go down to High Knob Horse Camp. So this is going to wrap up this video for today. Hopefully you liked it. Wasn't sure what to expect, what my body was going to do for me today, but made it through. It was fun, crisp, cold, sweaty. But if you like what you've seen, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, get notified new content once posted. I'll catch you again in the outdoors. As always, thanks for watching. Happy 2024.